How to fix setup face or fingerprint issue on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Are you facing setup face or fingerprint issue while trying to log and hide WhatsApp chats? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to fix this issue. First, I will show you the issue that I am facing and tell you the reason behind it. Open WhatsApp, select a conversation, tap on the name of the user, toggle on the chat log option, tap continue. As you can see, I am facing this issue. The reason behind it is I have not added any password or face or fingerprint security features on my device. Let's fix it up. Come back to the home screen, open settings, scroll down a bit, select passwords and security. As you can see, all of my security features are turned off. Let's enable all of them one by one. Note that you must set up all of these security features to fix the issue. Don't skip any of them. Let's enable security lock. Tap on it, select your preferred method. I will recommend setting up PIN if you are facing this issue. An alert box will appear with a message, remember your password. Tap got it. Now start setting up a PIN with minimum 4 digits. If you wish, you can even set up a PIN maximum of 16 digits. Once PIN is created, tap continue. Confirm your newly created PIN, then tap OK. As you can see, first security feature screen lock is now turned on. Second security feature is fingerprint. Let's set it up. Tap on it. At first, you will need to confirm your PIN. Then tap next. Place your finger on the sensor to add your fingerprint. Once added successfully, tap done. Then tap on back arrow at the top left corner. As you can see, second security feature fingerprint is now turned on. Third security feature is face lock. Let's set it up. Tap on it. At first, you will need to confirm your PIN. Then tap next. Now start adding your face data by tapping on start. An alert box will appear with a message, attention, face lock is less secure than a PIN, password or pattern. Tap on next. Keep your face inside the frame. Once added successfully, tap done. Then tap on back arrow at the top left corner. As you can see, all the necessary security feature is now turned on. Your issue must have been solved now. Let's check it out. Come back to the home screen, open WhatsApp, select a conversation, tap on the name of the user. Right here you will see the option for chat log. Toggle it on, tap continue. Now it will ask you for face or fingerprint to confirm it's you. Simply confirm it and boom, you have successfully fixed setup face or fingerprint issue while trying to log and hide WhatsApp chats. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.